Are sore muscles slowing you down? Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or just dealing with daily tension, the right massage gun can be a game changer. Today, we're counting down the top 5 massage guns that deliver professional-grade relief right at home. Number 5. At number 5, we have the LED portable massage gun, perfect for convenience without compromise. This compact device features 4 interchangeable massage heads for targeting different muscle groups with precision. Whether you need deep tissue work or gentle relaxation, this gun delivers. The USB rechargeable battery means you can take it anywhere, from gym to office, without outlet worries. The LED display shows speed settings and battery life at a glance. What makes this truly stand out is its lightweight, portable design that fits perfectly in your gym bag or travel luggage. The 4 specialized heads include options for large muscle groups, trigger points, and sensitive areas. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable grip during extended use, and the quiet motor won't disturb others. Ready for portable relief? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, the Lanshun Silent. Powerful massage gun brings whisper-quiet operation to your recovery. This device is engineered for athletes and professionals demanding both power and peace. With 6 variable speed settings, customize your intensity from gentle warm-up to intense, deep tissue work. The rechargeable battery provides extended use time, ideal for trainers with multiple clients or busy professionals needing reliable performance. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, while compact construction makes it incredibly portable. What sets this apart is ultra-quiet motor technology, delivering powerful percussion without disruptive noise. The sleek design with durable body ensures longevity and professional aesthetics. Perfect for home gym enthusiasts or business travelers valuing performance and discretion. This makes an ideal gift for fitness enthusiasts. Experience silent power. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the portable rechargeable fascia massage gun, designed for fascia release and deep muscle relaxation. This device features an LED screen displaying selected speed and battery life, keeping you informed throughout sessions. The 4 replaceable massage heads address different muscle tension types, from broad surface work to pinpoint trigger point therapy. Adjustable speed settings let you dial in perfect intensity for warming up or recovering after training. What makes this exceptional is its ergonomic handle, providing superior control and reduced strain. The sleek design combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality, while durable construction handles daily use. The fascia-focused design releases tight connective tissue, improving mobility and reducing pain. Perfect for athletes on the go, with adjustable settings accommodating beginners to professionals. This is your partner in optimal muscle health. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, securing runner-up position is the full-body massage gun, a comprehensive solution for total body recovery. This handheld electric marvel addresses muscle tension from head to toe, perfect for anyone taking recovery seriously. Whether targeting your back, arms, legs, or shoulders, this gun delivers consistent, powerful percussion therapy where needed. Suitable for sports enthusiasts, office workers with desk tension, and active individuals of all fitness levels. The electric motor provides reliable, consistent power throughout sessions, ensuring deep tissue penetration without battery fade. This makes an excellent gift for parents or perfect for men and women valuing physical wellness. Designed with user comfort in mind, featuring balanced weight distribution, reducing arm fatigue during extended use. Multiple speed settings customize your massage experience from gentle relaxation to intensive muscle work. Transform your recovery. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Claiming our top spot is the Deep Tissue Surface Massage Gun, the ultimate choice for serious athletes and recovery enthusiasts. This premium device features 4 interchangeable massage heads designed for different muscle groups and treatment techniques, giving you professional-level versatility at home. The 6-speed adjustable settings range from 6,000 to maximum RPM, allowing precise intensity fine-tuning. What truly sets this apart is the LCD display showing current speed, battery level, and session time, keeping you in complete control. USB-C fast charging means less downtime and more recovery time, perfect for busy professionals and dedicated athletes. The lightweight, portable design delivers professional power without bulk. Each specialized head targets specific needs: round head for large muscle groups, bullet head for trigger points, flat head for any body part, and fork head for spine and neck. Don't settle for less. Check the description and comments for the link. And thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.